Hello, friend. Last time we did domain transfer from GoDaddy to AWS, and we see that everything is working now expected. So, for example, this domain we created last time, and from the certificate manager, it was issued. It took around half an hour, probably. So it was there. Now, what we'll do, so uh, we'll do one application, Python application, Python Flux application that is working locally. So this is the local application, and you see there is two endpoints, and these endpoint are working here. So this is the endpoint. So hello world, so it is coming from here. So if I write 1 2 3, then it will be changing like that. And if I do this endpoint, so we'll get some data. So now I wanted to deploy this application into this. So in this case, what you have to do, so you have to go to that folder. So that folder is available. Let me go to that folder. Open with. So here it is not there. So I'll come here. Um, I'll come to the development. Okay. So this is the backend, and you see there are few things we have to consider. So one is uh, this EB extension Python config. So this file will be like that. We have to write in this way, and this will be application.application. Why application.application? You see, this is the file application, and if you go below, sorry, go up, then this is the Flux application. Start from Flux application. Okay, so this is the Flux application. So it will come to this point, WSGI path application.application path. Now what happened? So you see here we do not need these things. So we need only one, two, three files. Those are the basically we have written these three files. So and we'll make a uh, requirement.txt file. How? Just like you have to rename like to old, and just go to pip fridge uh, requirement commands require ments.txt file. So it will be coming here, um, all the dependencies. So this is the things are there. I'm coming to the folder, and you see we that is already I have given there. So in this folder, if you open this folder, you see EB extension, uh, application.py, old that is not required, that is 3 files are there, and requirement.txt. So this will be uh, enough for my application. So you just keep the CB extensions, then your Python files and requirement of JST, and it should be and you come to elastic beanstalk. So you come here, so you can come from here, or you can search uh, elastic. So elastic beanstalk here, and you should come, you navigate to that page. Now you have to create the application. So this is the step one. So search and come to the elastic beanstalk, and it will navigate to that particular page. Now there is a create new environment. So this is the new environment. This is the web server environment. So you can select web server environment and select, and application name like test back, like this. And environment name you can also do like this, no issue. Description, manage perform. So this is the Python application, and upload your zip code. So you have to choose the file requirements.txt, and if you create environment, then it will start creating the environment. So it will create the few things like EC2 instance. It will create, say, you see there is a it is creating an Amazon S3 storage place. After that it will be creating EC2 instance, then security group, and all the necessary stuffs whatever you are doing to create by yourself. So it is create automatically. So it will be it has created things, and it will take some time, maybe 4 to 5 minutes. So you see you have created a target group. So it is creating these steps, and after some time I'll show you. Let pause this now. So you see after that it created a load balancer, and also created a security load balancers, then security policies created, and it is created some security group name. Everything is created automatically by internal programming, and it will launch that application in some time. Let's wait. So you see that is already created, and this is the URL it has given, and you see health is okay, and you see um, hello world. So show, and if you write this and so you'll get this page. So you see you will be able to get this is the environment. Now you have see, you can see that there are few things you need to make configurations, as that it will be uh, it will be working like that. So for example, say here is HTTP is there, uh, this there. So before that, I would like to show you that if you go to the EC instance, then you'll see there is a instance running. This is the instance running, and this is the created, means that is automatically created, and it is, you see, the T2 micro, the free tier, and this is the public uh, this address we already checked, but